The generic template is a simple but complete three-statement structure that is easy to customize to your needs, so you can start your financial plan with a solid foundation. Let's take a look. So here we have different tables that you can get into. Let's start going to our P&L, right? And as you can see, very standard P&L. You can also check here your balance sheet. You can check your cash flow. But not only you have the three financial statements, but you also have, as you can see, these spaces or folders where you have the underlying assumptions and the underlying structure that builds the data for those financial statements. So for the P&L, you will find all the underlying data in the revenue and expenses spaces. While for the balance sheet, you'll find everything under assets, equity, and liability. The cash flow is all built based on formulas on top of the balance sheet and the P&L. So, and you don't need to memorize this because at any point, if you don't know where something is coming from, you can always click the formula and see, oh, this is pulling from the net profit from the P&L table. And it doesn't end there, right? If we enter some of these tables, for example, revenue, you'll see that we have some placeholders for you to add your own product names to calculate your revenue based on quantity times price. You can change these names or add new ones. And same thing applies to assets, expenses, liabilities, and so on. So for example, for credit cards, let's say I want to add a new credit card here. I could easily come in here and add credit card number 3, add this to my list, and done. Now I have 3 credit cards in this financial plan. I can change also and change to say credit card final 0000. And this is all customizable. Obviously, this is a very simple example, but you can also add formulas, edit formulas, and so on. So with all that, it's time to get started.